How's it going, everybody? So basically, it was already predicted that this MacBook Neo not only was targeted at the budget consumer, but it was also going to go after the schools and trying to get the schools to purchase MacBook Neos. So, for example, with the school students, we all know that there's a discount if you're a student to get a MacBook Neo. Now, I'm not exactly sure about the discounts that, say, for example, a school district will get, right? That's probably massive. Say a school district is going to purchase like 100 MacBook Neos. Say a school district might purchase 1,000 MacBook Neos to replace Windows PCs and Chromebooks. Now, I don't know the exact real reason why school districts are actually switching over to, let's just say, an Apple product. There's a part of me that wants to say it's because that's what the students want. I don't know how relevant that would be to say, because look, even at the end of the day, a Chromebook is still less expensive than a MacBook Neo, depending on what Chromebook you get. But you guys know what I mean, right? I'm just wondering, what was the main incentives? If some of these school districts are saying, well, because we all know that kids do not want to be seen without an iPhone. We all know that. It's just the way it is, especially if you have kids. If, you try to buy your son or daughter an iPhone, you try to buy your son and daughter an Android, it's just no. It's like handing them poison ivy or something. They don't want it. So I'm wondering if these school districts were like, hey, maybe this will help if further engage or incentivize or whatever our students if we get them MacBook Neos. Or if there's something else, say, the kid has a school account on their iPhone, the MacBook Neo, they connect everything so they can send something from their MacBook Neo to their iPhone or from their iPhone to their MacBook Neo. However schools are doing it these days. I've been out of school a while, so I don't exactly know. But I'm just looking at it. I'm just wondering, what the incentive would actually be, right? So, for example, there's a school district out there that has purchased over 4,500 MacBook Neos for just 8th grade students, all right? I think this one's in Nebraska or something and that's another thing too. We're hearing stories like from Kansas and these other, I guess rural areas, not necessarily, I don't know what's going on in California or New York or these bigger cities, but these schools like in Kansas, for example, I heard actually Kansas said something about they're trying to go become an all MacBook or an all Apple school district or something like that. And that blows my mind. But anyway, in the comments, let me know what you all think. I think this is crazy interesting. All right, everybody. Bye.